to another video. So today we are going to see how to make login system in code.org. Means if you want to make an app which has something with login system, so in the last page I will show you. So in that, if you want, so you can extend your app like that. So how to do it? So let's start with our today's video. So first I will give you a quick demonstration of this app. I will do this big. So see, here this is means a sign in one, and now see, I don't have, so I will do type here. Okay, login. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, no, it will not work. Just a minute. So, first you have to do sign up. Then this I have to take any picture from your device. I will take my a logo. So then here I should do. Then password. There will be. I will set this. No, I will not set this. 92122. Okay. And if I do like this, these both numbers are not same. So something went wrong, it will say. So I have to do it again. 1 2 3 6 8. 1 2 3 6 8. 1 2 3 6 8. So now both passwords are same. So if I do this sign in, it will create a data here with this. So now I will type here my email. The name will also come, and email and password also, and the image. Just a minute, I will copy it. And if I do it here, paste, so it will open this. Means you can view what is that. This is my channel logo. So you can do this copy and paste, and you can see the logo. And then here will be 1 2 3 4 5 as our password, but I will put this different. And if I still log in, it will say incorrect password and incorrect email. The email is not incorrect, but I will do it now. So now I have just a minute. 1 2 3 6 8. Okay. So if I press now login, so I will come. I will be redirected on this screen where see my name is reflecting Sai Rahul Munkhe, and email is also reflecting rahul.munkhe@gmail.com, and that logo I have done. So and if you want the app to make with like Amazon or like that, you can add one more button here, and you can extend the app if you want to. Now I will press log out, so I will be redirected on this page. I haven't done this two labels will. Just a minute, this is label 13 and this is label 12. Just a minute. And what is ID? Button 4. And I have to do that hide element and hide element label 12 and label 13. label 12, label 13. Okay. So, and this is one image means I want to do the branding, so that's why I have put it. So now see here, there will be a means here it will create a table. So this was demonstration. So let's get a quick what we call site on the code. So first this label 11 means this label, this is your label 11 on this screen to means sign means sign up there, and see and this label 12 and label 13, see these two, so it will be hidden for the user. So now here button 3 means this sorry no button 3 no on this sign up button means this sign up button means button 3. It if the means I have done one simple code to means ensure that password and this confirm password section are both correct. So if get text input 6 means this password one, and get text means equals to get text input 7 means confirm password one. If they are both correct, identical to each other, so then only it will create record, and the record will be named from this text input 5 email id, and then name will be saved from this section, your name, then email from this email section, then password from this password section, and the image from this photo select option. This is a photo select one. Okay, then I have written here recent picture means it should be a recent picture or anything. Then it will direct you to screen 1 means here. So then if the means these both sections are not correct means this text input 6 and text input 7 are not correct to means or I means identical to each other means password and confirm password, so it will show the element of something is wrong. Okay, when something went wrong, then whenever if the button 3 is pressed, so it will blank all this section. Okay, this photo select one option will be not blank. Okay, this your name, email id, password and confirm password will be set to nothing. Then where is button 2? Yes, so this button to win sign up option will direct you to screen to this code is belong to that. Then this button 1 means login button. Whenever it will be pressed, it will read the records. Means read this records whatever the email is there. Here was one table created, and there the name of the record was of the email. Okay, so that's why get text input 1. For this reason only I have put this, or you can do password also means you can change this field to means first you have to change the field of this means the here create records get text input 5 now. So you have to change it to text input 6 or text input 7 to do with password, and just you have to do here text input 2 means this password one when you are logging in. So this will you have to do this all, okay. This if now we have to this will automatically will be generated for command. This if command is by written by me. So see here, if record that is means I means a password equals to text input 2 means this here password section, then only this will happen. It will redirect you means direct you to screen 3 where is means this logout and all that about, and then it will set the image means of this image to the means what we call that you image has set. Then it will set this text name 1 to the means in the records what is given. So it will read the records, and the email field will be also filled when it will read the records. Or else it will show element this password means this label 12 means password is incorrect, okay. Oh, that's why my that shown on that incorrect email. So we have to just do this here. Just a minute. What its name is? Email, no email. Yes. Just we have to do it to email. Yes. If yes, so it will then set means if the means it will set screen to this one, okay, and it will means you have to not do this code of repeat this code, and it will or else if it is not correct it will show this field incorrect email. And when means this is not important if you want means to show that all password and email information, and if you don't want to show that, so you can do this one on event button 4. It will means set screen to 1, but it will set this text input 1 means this email here and password here to blank. Then it will set this text means name and email to blank, and it will also hide the element of this button means level 13 means incorrect email and incorrect password. And that branding one will open my Specs Industries one app. You can see in my previous videos of code.org. So let's give this a shot in full screen mode. I have to do one thing also. I have to copy this, then paste /edit. So see here, it will automatically form. There is no data. Okay. Now see here. There is no. So see here. It will. If I click on this, it will direct you to means the Specs Industries app. It is very nice. So if I do this, see. If I say login, it will not work, okay? So let's do it, sign up. I'm going to sign up. Why isn't it working? Oh, it has been corrupted, I think so. No data table is found. First, I have to do sign in. Yes. That it was corrected, I think so. So, see. I have chosen then my name, then password I will do 29012921909. See here, if I type here anything and I will say sign in, something went wrong it will say, and we have to do it again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will do it simple. So if I now do sign in, it will direct me. So see, here the data table is formed. See, my name is there, my email is there, then password is there, and this, see, if I copy this and paste it over here, it will, I can show you. So it is quite interesting thing I love. So now here I have to do this, and my password was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't recommend that your password is wrong. Okay, means it is not very safe. Okay, if I write here anything and log in, oh those shits, the ad is something there missing. On this button 4. No, button 1, sorry. It was not supposed to be redirect me. Now only I have seen. So just a minute. I will do it again. If I do login, no, yaar, how it is going? Just a minute. What is now there? Oh, I have to remove this code. Means it is showing that means that email was correct. Email was correct, but the password was not correct. So I have written the code that if the email is correct, then also it will direct me to screen. So just a minute, I will now do it again and see now. It will not direct me. See here, incorrect password. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, login. That is corrupted, so don't mind it. So thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for this my very much hard man. I have searched on that Google for how to do that read records and to the that variables was there. So thank you for watching. We are so close to 20 subscribers. So subscribe now. That red subscribe button is angry. Make it gray and give the subscribe button's mind revealing breath. So thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.